Come test drive the 2013 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning front, power steering, cruise control, AM, FM, CD, MP3 radio, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.